Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we are on day number 91 of this My Legion Secret Challenge, and we have made it to July the 17th of 2025. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here, we are shooting a 365-day challenge where we are promoting one offer on ClickBank. Okay, and we're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay, so all I'm gonna do here, guys, in this video series, if you have not watched this video series, please go back to the earlier videos starting from day one, so you can kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing here. We've completed our first 90 days of this challenge, and we have earned some money doing so, guys. So I just wanted you guys to go back and watch those previous videos, guys, to kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay, now if you want to follow this series, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, like this video. It helps the algorithm. It helps get this out to other people that are looking for ways to make money. Okay, so we've made it to day number 91, and I'm just going to kind of show you guys a super easy method if you're looking to make extra income online. I'm just going to show you how to do so. Won't take too much of your time, and it's super easy to do. Okay, now let me go over here to the My Legion Secret System. This is a email platform, guys, that you can use. Okay, what you will get whenever you sign up with this company. Okay, you're going to get either 100 or 200 new subscribers every single day. Okay, now these people coming in, these are business opportunity subscribers. These people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay, so it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. Whether you can use places like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can use for this traffic. And all you have to do is create an email or use a free email swipes, create an email with ChatGPT or whatever. And you come back here and you send out emails to this service. Okay, now once you send out the emails to the service, you pretty much implant a link, an affiliate link in your email. That way people can click on that link and they go to your offer, and then the offer does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so all we are, guys, is just the middleman. All we do is get people to the offer. Okay, that's our only job to do. All right. So just a little bit about myself with the My Legion Secret system. I've been with My Legion Secrets over 3.5 years, okay, or more. I've been keeping count, but I know I've been with them for a few years, guys. I totally love the service, and I've promoted different offers to this traffic. Okay, so I can tell you that this does work. It does convert. Okay, and I have gotten paid from this service. Okay, I can, vouch for that. Okay, so I created a brand new ClickBank account in the beginning of the series to kind of show you guys from start to finish. Do have multiple ClickBank accounts that I use to promote different offers, but this account that I'm using, guys, is just for you guys, just for this video series, just to show you from start to finish for 1 year to show you how much money we can make within that time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right to it. All right, guys. Right now with this account, then another cool thing about My Legion Secrets is that you can have multiple accounts. Okay, right now I have 8 different accounts that I use. I come in here every single day around this same time, and I send out emails in every single one of my accounts. And then those emails go out, and I can wake up the next day and see how much money I made. Okay, and that's kind of what we're doing for this video series. I've already sent out my emails for all 8 of my accounts. We're going to check the results today. And then tomorrow, we're going to come back here also and check the results for the emails we sent out tonight. Okay. So let's go ahead and just review this back office here. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing difference is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. Now, the cool thing about the offer that we're promoting here on ClickBank is that this offer it does have free emails that you can use. Okay, so we don't have to go out and figure out what email to use or write. Okay, we can just go right to the source and grab these pre-written emails and just copy and paste them over to the mailing system. Okay, which is really cool. So the tab that you're going to be hanging out the most at in this back office is going to be the mailing system. This is where you're going to go and you're going to select all and you're going to load up your emails. Okay. This email we're going to send out is going to go to out to over 183,000 people. Okay. We're going to come down here. Now, if you sent out an email before, you know there's a subject line and you know there's a body of text. Okay. And like I said, I've already sent out my emails right here, and you can send out one every 24 hours. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the offer. And the offer that we're going to be using is going to be this offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. And we're going to use this for 1 year. Okay. Now, as you can see down here, guys, this is the free email swipes that you're going to be able to use. Okay. So you want to come down here. There's going to be 20 emails. Now, once you get down to number 20, you just start back up to one and you just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. And then once people realize kind of what you're doing, they're going to start purchasing from you guys. That's just how it works. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to this email right here. Okay. And let me show you how easy it is. So you come in on a day's, work, you're getting ready to work. You want to send out emails for your first time. You want to come here and let's grab email number 4. There's a subject line right here. We want to take this subject line. Okay, you want to copy it, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system and then Control V. Boom, super easy to do. All right, come down here to the body. You want to click on perfect timing. That's very important. There's a check mark in there. Okay. That way that you kind of know when your prospect is looking at their email and you want to send that email only whenever they're getting ready to look at it. Okay. Control C. We take the body of text here. And then this link right here, guys, goes with this email. Okay. So let's come back over here and then let's paste it in. So let's go ahead and Control A, Control V, right? And we want to take our signature and you want to either want to put your name or management, whichever one. Now, if this is more of a job related offer, then we're going to use management. So it just all depends on, what you're feeling. Okay. Let's go ahead and we want to, in this email, these are codes right here. The only code that you're going to want to use is this one that says first name. So we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So you want to take this out and you want to Control V. And that way, whenever this email goes out, it says like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email. Okay. Now, this email basically is telling our prospect the opportunity. Is showing them how much money they can make, and where they can start working at. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to have a call to action button that's going to show our customer where to click at to go to the offer. Okay. So remember right here, there's a link that goes with this email. So we want to Control C. Let's copy that. And then all we have to do here is come here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. Or your ClickBank ID. We want to take this out and we want to put in your ID that you came up with whenever you created your account. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back here and Control V, right? And then we want to come down here. We want to come here where it says your ClickBank ID, and you want to click on, you want to enter in your ID, okay? And whatever that is, okay? So don't enter in mine, but enter in yours that you came up with whenever you went to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a free network platform, guys. You can go there for free, sign up, doesn't cost you a dime to get started. And you can start right away promoting these offers or actually promoting the same offer I'm promoting if you want. Excuse me. So you want to go click on OK. And what that does, guys, it turns this into a clickable link. Okay. So you want to Control A. And what I like to do is make this a little bit bigger, or either 16 or 18. Okay. So as you can see, this email is ready to go. Okay. We're addressing our prospect by their first name. The emails looks good. It shows tells our customer what type of money they can make, how many hours they can work a week and what are the requirements. Okay. You got to have internet access and all that good stuff. And you got to have available time, either a laptop or a computer to do this job on. Okay. So right here, this is the clickable link. Okay. So now at the bottom, there's going to be two buttons. One's going to say send now and one is going to say preview. What you want to do is click on preview. What that does, it brings this email up in real time. Okay. And it makes this link where it's clickable. So you can click on this link and it'll take you to your affiliate page. Okay. Now, when you click on this link and it take you to your affiliate page, you're looking for your affiliate ID in this URL right here. I'm just using this as an example. Okay. Whenever this link, you click on that link, it's going to take you to an affiliate link. Okay. And you want to make sure that your affiliate ID is showing up in the URL somewhere. Okay. So you want to look for that. Now, once you find it, right, you want to come back here and you click on send now. Okay, boom. That's it, guys. That's how we send out an email on the mailing system. It's super easy to do. Okay. And I advise you guys to get started. All right. I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here, and below this video, if you go ahead and click on this tiny URL slash MLGS True Freedom, click on that link, guys. It's going to take you to the mailing system, okay, where you can sign up and you can go ahead and get started and start sending out those emails today, okay, and start earning that extra income that you need. All right. So if you're someone out there that's looking for extra income, maybe to maybe pay a light bill, maybe help with electric, maybe help with your mortgage or car payment, whatever it is, okay, this is going to be the income that you're going to be able to use to do that. All right. This is some really good bill money, but you're going to have to, come in here every day and do so. Now, if you want to take this thing to the next level and you want to do this full time, you have to be consistent and you have to come in here every single day and you got to send out emails. Okay. That's very important. That's the only way this thing is going to work. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email, guys. So if you come here to the offer, now let's go ahead and go to ClickBank. I'm sorry. So let's go ahead and go to ClickBank. Okay. And let's go ahead and go to the dashboard and then take a look here. Now, these are the results. Now, as you can see, the algorithm, we've been getting sales every day or every 2 days, it seems like. Okay. Now, I know we did get a sale, I believe yesterday or whatever, or the day before, I'm not sure, but that sale will be coming up here shortly. Okay. No, we got a sale, let's see, 2 days ago. Okay. So from here, we should get a sale, another sale by tomorrow. Okay. And that's just been the algorithm. It has not been over 2 days before we get a sale, which is really good because it's showing me that the algorithm for our sales is starting to get closer and closer, and eventually we're going to get sales every single day. Okay. That's just what it is, right? It's just a numbers game. However many emails you send out, however many people you build up, you keep doing that over a certain amount of time period, you're going to crack that code and you're going to start making money. Okay. So let's go ahead and check on today's results and see how we did today. Okay, today's the June the 17th. Let's check the traffic. The offer that we're using is a social sales rep. We got 916 hops. Okay, we got over 880 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to our website. Okay, now unfortunately, no one pulled the trigger. Okay, no one signed up. Okay, and we didn't get a rebuild today. Okay, so today was pretty much a blank day. We blanked today. But as you can see, the algorithm, I mean, there's only going to be 2 days that we're going to blank. And then tomorrow, I'm pretty confident. I'm just going to tell you the future. I'm predicting that we're going to get a sale tomorrow. Okay. So I'm going to make this video pretty quick and pretty easy, straightforward. Okay, guys, because we didn't earn anything today and we didn't get the initial order form impressions. These are people that went to the checkout page and they wanted to buy right then. All right. So the cool thing about this series, guys, is that I'm going to show you guys, what this stuff looks like, whether we're making sales or we're not making sales. And then eventually, I believe maybe month 5, we're going to get a little bit more advanced and we're going to do a little bit of testing to see what, links work and what try some new landing pages and try some different things that we can do to optimize our sales. Okay. But for right now, we're just going to direct link to the affiliate page. Okay. And we're just going to see how that works for a little bit. And right now it's working pretty good. Okay. So we're just going to keep it like that for now. But as the series, like I said, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos that I send out, guys. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. I did show you how to send out an email. I showed you the results from last night's email, guys. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.